Alright, here at Great Resort Casino playing Piggy Bankin because look at that major. $3,000. Just on a dollar bet. Let's see what we can get here. Come on, Piggies, fill it in. Let's get that major. Come on. Come on. Middle squares, get them. Oh. Alright, $8 there. Come on, bigger Piggy. Let's get a good one. Alright. So $24. Very good. We'll do it back up here. Oh my gosh. Let's just keep it rolling. Come on, Piggies. Oh, there we go. All right. I'd like to give a shout out to the slot channel, Slots Across America. Great channel. They promote other slots, so if you're looking for some more channels to subscribe to, I suggest you check them out. Get some good suggestions. Come on, Piggies. 2 more here. Come on. Uh-oh, last spin. Okay. That's a good size. Piggy. Hey, Minnie, $20. Yeah, $24. Do it back up here. And one more. And I'm going to shut the camera off. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next bonus. Ooh, look at that beautiful line head, all those wilds. Don't know how much this is. Looks like quite a good one though. So a dollar bet, 2-cent denomination. All right, good one. And we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Alright, a few spins later, got another bonus. Barely getting my phone back into my pocket. This game is hot right now, come on. Wants to give me that major. Let's go. Yeah. 3 more here, come on, fill them in. Uh-oh. Okay. Sip of my mimosa. Good luck, everyone. Minis, $20. Very good. Come on. Give me another mini. Or 10. That's fine too. All right. 30. What's that? Like 33. All right. Do a couple backups here. And we'll see you all in the next bonus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. I appreciate everyone's feedback on my videos. We'll see you soon, everyone. Alright, so we got the bank bonus, and I'm gonna pick the Piggies. Free games are never too good for me. Let's see, I hope this wasn't a mistake. Still this 2-cent dollar denom, or dollar bet. Come on. this one right there. Oh, darn. Come on, give me a mini. Hey, $30. That's a great one, even better than the mini. Yeah, all right. Oh, back up. No, come on. All right, and I'm going to shut off the camera here. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you in the next bonus. And I was going to stop at 150, so 5 spins left, and we got a bonus here. Dollar bet, 2 cent denom. Come on, piggies. Come on. Last spin. Ouch. Oh, the bonus. This game has been very active for me. So it's $16. We'll take it. And do a couple backups here. And we'll see you all in the next bonus. Still here, Great Resort Casino, playing the brand new Ultimate Firelink Explosion. 75 cent. Actually just sat down. This is my first time with the wheel. I want to get those. What is it? The Super Firelink. Just nothing mini. Looks like it might be free games. Yeah. Minimum bet 75 cents, but let's see what we do. $16. You know what? It came quick. That was like a second or third spin. Alright, do a backup here. And we'll be back. Thanks for watching. And we got a bonus, everybody. Still playing the Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Come on, there we go. Get all the way to the top. Come on. I do prefer the original Ultimate Firelink to this, but they actually have those machines disabled this morning. The screens are just blue, so I'm playing this one instead. Let's see what they add up to there. Hey, not bad for 75 cents. $31.25. That's great. And we'll do it back up here. One more, and we'll be back with the next bonus. Thank you for watching.